Cassandra, I'll be asking this on behalf of my former director in the movie industry, si Direk Eric Mati. He was asking me kasi, saan ka nagpasalon pag nagpapakulay ng buhok? Kasi the last time you were here, hindi ganyan ang kulay ng buhok mo, saka hindi ganyan curly.
Mr. Chair, ganito pa rin po yung kulay ng buhok ko since
The last time?
last time po.
Hindi, kasi baka
Tapos-
Okay, sige.
Tapos po, yung kulot po is DIY,
Ginawa mo lang. Kasi baka mamaya merong salon na kami dito sa HOR, sa aming detention facility. The chairman is asking me if pwede din siyang magpakulay ng buhok doon sa facility natin. If indeed there is a existing salon in the detention center, then I will be filing a resolution. Ano ba?